Daily markup for Euro USD for Tuesday, the 28th of November. This is the daily chart. As far as the swing is concerned, we are bearish. However, we are in the pullback phase and hence internally we are bullish. We have, now just very close to this supply zone, which I think is a very high probability supply zone because of various reasons. For example, it swept this demand zone and then price went on to break, to cause a break of structure, like a swing break of structure. Also, this supply zone swept liquidity, so therefore it is a very high probability zone. As far as the daily is concerned, we are now kind of looks like we're running out of steam, but you never know. So we're very close to entering this, and I have a feeling that we will enter this zone today, and then I will start looking for shorts. Also, as far as the premium and discount are concerned, we are above this green line, so we are in the premium of this leg, so it does make sense to look for shorts. And to look for shorts, you look left and see any probable supply zones. So definitely this is a high probability supply zone, so I think price will come somewhere here, and then we can look at targeting this weak swing low. Moving on to the H4, this is where we are. We are currently bullish. We've had a break of structure. After that, we've had a pullback, and thereafter we again kind of pulling up. There was this 1 hour supply from where we kind of reacted, and we are now looking at going up and maybe taking this out and entering the daily zone. Moving on to the 1 hour, this is what it looks like. So there's definitely, we came to this zone, we got a bit of a reaction. This reaction has also swept all this relatively equal lows, so sweep of liquidity. So this looks like a high probability demand zone, so probably price will maybe come down to this level and then go further. So that's as far as the H1 is concerned. And moving on to the M15, the 15-minute is also bullish. We've had a break of structure here and actually here, but yeah, and after that, after a break of structure, we can expect a pullback. We do have a lot of imbalances here, so I'm thinking that this is probably not a very high probability zone. It doesn't have any inducement. It did sweep some liquidity, but I have a feeling that we'll probably come down a little more before going up. So we are currently in the M15 pullback. I'm expecting price to come into this zone, which it already has, and then probably going up. So once it comes here, we can expect a bit of a reaction for sure. So we can come down to the we can also look at sessions to see where we are. So we are currently in the Asian session, and so we have come into this zone, and I suspect that probably London will sweep all this the lows of the Asian session and then kind of continue forward. So London opening is still about an hour and a half away, but my expectation is going to be that we kind of come up, sweep all of this, maybe come down a little more, and then kind of take out the the highs. So that's what I'll be looking to play, and let's see how price plays out. This is on the 5-minute, so I will be looking at a fake break. A fake break would mean minimum of a chalk, and then price comes down, and once that gets liquidated, then I will be looking at entering on the candle that causes the liquidation. Happy trading.